The use of scents while working from home can help you keep upbeat, improve efficiency and productivity too. Natural ingredients used in perfumery are known to have positive effects on the human brain. Citing a few examples of the most common one being lavender, which has got a quality of relaxation. Hence, you would smell lavender in a lot of spas. Similarly, there are other ingredients like sandalwood is known for having alertness. If you smell jasmine when you go to bed, you can sleep better. Eucalyptus is a de-stressing smell. Rose, known to build self-esteem. Hence, ancient, if you see kings, you will always see them with a rose in their hand, or they were very fond of gardens of roses. So it improves self-esteem. Similarly, you have kamomi, which is a relaxant. Smell of rosemary is known to improve memory. The smell of ylang ylang puts you in a seductive mood. Vanilla puts you in a happy mood. Citruses, lemon puts you in an invigorating, energetic mood. Essential oils and natural aromatic ingredients have positive effects on our mind. Using scents around you adds a lot of positivity. A lot of companies these days, more than you would realize, use scent marketing to diffuse odors to keep you upbeat. Odors have been diffused in malls, in hotels, even offices have been known to diffuse peppermint, mint to keep the staff alert. Hence, scents play an active role. So, how to use scents while working from home? Well, some are very basic ideas. For people who like cinnamon, could get cinnamon sticks from the kitchen and leave it on their study or the space where they are working from. Lemon, rind or peel can be also used. Of course, spraying yourself with your favorite fragrance always works. Smell is related with emotions and memory, and hence if you have a fragrance that you have been using on a holiday and if you spray it while working, for those fleeting moments it could take you back to your travels. And I would suggest to use different fragrances if you're using in the day and the evening, so at least you have your routine set. You could use candles, one could use reeds, essential oils, deos, have them around you. And maybe also the ritual of doing a dhoop, loban, smoke in the house helps. So anything which works, any smell which you feel is close to you and it works for you, have it around you, so while you're working you can continuously have a whiff of it. We may have some strong smells at our homes, especially in the kitchen, because of the spices that we use for cooking, but do not let that deter you from using the fragrances at home. If you're spraying a fragrance on yourself, it is normal in a couple of minutes you may not be able to smell your own fragrance because your nose gets saturated or tired due to that, and you may start perceiving other fragrances notes. But again, that will get saturated and you'll go back, and intermittently you will be able to get whiffs of your own fragrance. Of course, if required, you can always go back and spray a couple of more sprays on yourself to refresh it. If you're using a candle, please read the instructions on the box carefully. Generally, one should not leave it on for more than 3 to 4 hours at the max. So happy scentful working from home to all of you all.